Tolu Serafa, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we're going to be reading a story called Faitau Tasi Ile Sefulu. That's reading the Samoan numbers from 1 to 10.
Faitau Numera by Ono Ketapila. Tasi Laume. One turtle. Lua Manuki. 2 monkeys. Tolu Serafa. 3 giraffes.
If you are enjoying the Faitau Tasi Ile Sefulu, you can get your own e-coffee by clicking the link in the description. This will sign you up for our weekly newsletter, which gives you all of the news and all of the great deals that you can get from Measina Treasures of Samoa. Back to our story.
Fa Lulu. 4 owls. Lima pa'a. 5 crabs. Ono Ketapila. 6 caterpillars. Fitu pusi. 7 cats. Valu maile. 8 dogs. Eva Moore. 9 chickens. Sefulu pua'a. 10 pigs.
So, can you tell me what number fitu is in Samoan or in English? Tell me in the comments below what fitu is. We hope that you've enjoyed our video. If you really did, give it a thumbs up, a like. If you'd like to support us even further, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you know when new videos come out. Thank you again for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Have a great day. Tofa se fua.